So I have this flash drive, and it uses USB 3. Out of the box, VirtualBox only supports USB version 1, which in today's standards is extremely slow and for many devices will downright won't work. So if I plug it into my computer, and open the USB settings of my virtual machine, I can allow the virtual machine access to the USB flash drive when I click on the green plus icon. But as we don't have USB 3 support yet, it will only be able to use USB 1, which will render it barely usable. To add USB 3 support, we need the VirtualBox extension pack. So let's head over to virtualbox.org, and under Downloads, we can find the VirtualBox extension pack download. Once it's downloaded, we need to install it on VirtualBox. So we click on File, Preferences, then under Extensions, we need to add a new package. And let's select the extension pack we just downloaded. And let's install. And we're told that the extension pack was successfully installed. Let's open again the USB settings for our virtual machine. And now, in addition to USB 1, we also have USB 2 and USB 3. So let's choose USB 3. And now, when we click on the green plus icon, all of the USB 3 devices are listed, and I can choose the ones that I want to pass through to the virtual machine. In my case, it's the SanDisk USB that I want to access from the virtual machine, so let's choose it. And now our virtual machine will be able to utilize the full speed of USB 3 when accessing the flash drive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.